Okay, hello. Um, Unfortunately, I've recorded this one nauna na, pero nagka-problema yung record ko. So, nakadalawang record ako, nakagawa ko ng dalawang end-to-end process ng sales order sa wala lang. So, ulitin natin. Okay? So, here, okay, so let's start here, no? This is the sales distribution, okay? So, we've been discussing this one in our past lessons, no? Tapos ito yun. Okay, so we're just imagining things noon. Ngayon we have to do it in actual. Okay, so this is the things that we will be doing, no? Step 1 to step 17, from the creation of new customer to reviewing document flow. Okay? Sige, let's start. Okay. Sige. So the first one is to create customer, no? So let's go to maintain business partner. Okay, so click business partner, and then you click the organization. Okay. After clicking the organization, yes, click yes. Okay. So we'll so that's the reason. Okay, so we'll click first this one pala, FI. I hope this will not be erased kasi dapat pala mauna muna yung FI customer. Saan na yun? Okay. Oh no, we'll create again. Okay, so this is new. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we will be, after clicking that one, hindi ko na-click siya. So this is the FI customer new. After clicking the organization, we'll move to FI customer new. So we'll use it again. Dahon folding bikes. Since I love Dahon folding bikes, or the turn. Let's just have Dahon turn. Okay, so we'll use the term 555. Okay, you can use here my house number. Okay, and the postal, we'll use the postal code of here provided by the book. Baka maano kasi tayo kasi this is nag-create kasi si SAP ng sarili niyang shipping point, no? So we'll use Orlando, country is US, and the region is Florida. Okay, okay, so we'll add another here. Okay, AST, and then we'll not put anything here, so we'll use the transport to, kailangan to sa shipping point Okay, so ginawa ko dito is I just followed what is in the book, kasi magkakaproblema tayo mamaya sa shipping. Okay, so kasi pag Pilipinas nilagay natin dyan, baka i-deny tayo doon sa sales order. Okay, kasi naka program na yan. Okay, and it automatically creates a shipping point. Okay, so the language is, kaya pala wala kaninang okay, so English. Okay, so after that, no, we'll go to company code. So we put all of this one, the company name, the search term is 555. Okay, and then so house number 89 Basa. Okay, so yun. Okay, so okay na. And after that, click the company code. This is the company code here. Okay, so the code is, we'll use the US. Okay, we'll use US 00. Nakalagay yan dito, ito US 00. US00. Okay, and the reconciliation sa ano to. Okay, so ito yun, trade account. Tapos yung sorting niya is 01. Ano yung 01? So tingnan na lang natin din. Posting date. Okay, that's the sorting key. Okay, ano pa? Okay, so okay na tayo dyan, no? So let's go to customer. Okay, customer. Okay, so save mo lang. Okay, so what's written in here, no? Save mo lang siya. Okay, save. Okay, so take note of that. The business partner ni ano is 51029. 51029. Okay, so that's the business partner number. Okay, so ngayon nandito na tayo sa customer. Okay. Okay, so business partner can be a customer and can be a supplier. So here, business partner siya at the same time customer din siya. Okay, so we will not be making some ID here for supplier, customer lang. Okay, we will go to sales and distribution. Sales org is UE00, UE00, and the channel is wholesale, and the division is BI for bike. Okay, so yun na yun. Sales district will be UE003, Southeast USA. Okay, UE003. And order probability 100%, the currency USD, price group will use 01, standard yan. Okay, let's see ano yung laman yan. Bulk buyer. Okay, bulk buyer. Okay, so done na tayo dito. Let's go to shipping. So delivery priority daw is 2. Okay, what's 2? Normal item. 01 for shipping conditions, standard. Okay, so planta natin sa Miami. Okay, DC Miami. Okay, and then the max partial deliveries is 3 lang. So hanggang 3 lang yung partial deliveries mo. Okay, so once done, okay, punta ka sa billing na. Okay, so we are setting now yung ano ba yung configurations ni customer, no? Tsaka yung customer or business partner. Okay, andito na yung mga ano niya, yung mga terms niya. Okay, sa Incoterms FOB daw. Okay, and then location Miami. Payment terms niya is 001, 30. Okay, and then 1 for account customer group. Okay, tapos daw yung mga taxes is 0 out natin, sabi. Okay, ang 0 natin yung taxes niya, exempted pala. Okay, so once okay, just click save. Okay, so save na siya. Okay, ngayon to check the customer number, no, kasi walang lumabas sa customer number eh, so we'll go to sabi dito FI, choose again FI customer defined. Okay, Okay, so yun na yun. And then we'll go to company code. So where is it? Change BP role. Because again, okay, that's the company, ito, company code. Okay, so nandito na yung customer number niya. So the customer number is 25009. 25009. Take note of that, no? Customer number 25009. BP number is 51029. Okay? So na click the home na. Okay na tayo dito. Okay? So the next one is create contact person. Okay? So mag-create daw tayo ng contact person. Okay? So punta ulit tayo sa manage business partner, and then we'll be clicking person. Okay? Tapos after that, i-click muna natin yan. Okay, tapos click natin contact person, create. Okay, so we'll use here Mr. Ano ba? Magandang name. Jose Rizal. Language English. Okay. Ano pang required entry? Country US. I think we're okay. So yun. And then click save. Okay. So business partner number is 51030. 51030. BP contact person. Okay, so yun na yun. So after that, nakagawa na tayo ng contact person. We go to yan, nakagawa na siya. Okay, bibigyan na natin sa relasyon, no? So relationship, create BP relationship. Okay, so we click here with contact person, as contact person. Okay, so you have the option here to search, no? But kung memoryado mo naman yung ano, yung number ng ano 51029 yung isa, no? Tapos yung contact is 51030. Okay, validity ngayong araw. Tapos kopyahin ko na lang to and make it to 2050. Okay, so pagkatapos niyan, no, dito na execute mo na. Okay, execute. Okay, and then continue again. O sa dito hindi pa pala continue. Sabi dito VIP is 1. Tapos dito 002 na sa functions. Sabihin lang mga 002, makikita natin mamaya yung function yan. Okay. Okay. So ito yun. Okay na. So yung hindi ko na napakita yun ah. So 002 function purchasing manager, mga ano to, mga rule to. So VIP management and then department purchasing. Okay? So save mo lang siya. Okay? Okay? Or continue. Okay? And then save. Yes. Okay, relationship has been applied. Okay, so may relasyon na sila yung dalawa. Okay, that's the contact person, si ano ba yun? Ano bang nilagay kong name down? Basta yon. Okay? So, konektado na si yung 5100 yung BP. Okay? So, click natin dito, hanapin natin. Manage business partner. Okay? So, ito yon. Click na natin to. So, may relation na si 51029, which is the Dahon Folding Bikes. Oh. And then, si 51030, okay, which is si Jose Rizal. Okay? Sige. So, okay na tayo dyan. Ngayon, customer inquiry na tayo. So, the assumption here is yung customer ko, okay, is may access sila sa SAP ko, no? So, nag-i-inquire sila ngayon kung ano yung mga bibilhin nila. Okay? So, punta ka lang sa inquiry. Okay? Create inquiry. Okay? Tapos, yung nakalagay na siya, IN. Tapos, yan yung ano. Okay? So, enter lang. No? Sold to party. So, ano yung natin kanina? Na-memorize natin na BP number. 51029. Sige. You have the option to search also kung hindi mo mahanap dito, no? Ngayon, kung memoryado mo naman, di mas maganda. Click mo na lang. Oops, di lumabas. 25009 pala yung customer number niya. 25009. Okay, so Dahon Turn Folding Bikes. Okay? So, pwede natin lagay dito, spare book. Yan lang. Tapos dito, yung date ngayon. And then valid from, date lang din ngayon. Tapos valid to next month. Okay? So, delivery date is, we'll have to change it to November 10. Hindi sigurado, no? Okay? So, continue lang. Okay? So, okay na. Okay, so once na okay na siya, what's the next step is to, okay na to, nalagyan na natin. Okay, sales. This is the sales and the item overview. Okay, so wag na natin galawin yan. On the sales material, okay, UE 00. Hindi, nagsisearch yan eh. Okay. Okay, so we have the option here to look for the the item. Okay. Okay, so kung hindi natin alam yung item, we can try to search that one using this one. Okay? Okay? So, ang advice ng book is you just have to use this one. Okay? Then Aster 055 para mag-filter na lang siya, no? Sabi doon DXTR1 1005 ito. Deluxe. Okay? Sige. 1005. Okay, enter. So, ilan ba yung ordering ko? 5 batches. Okay? 5. Loading. Okay. So, the next one, pinakita ko na dito yung paano mag-search. The next one, hindi ko na siya isa-search. Okay? Let's type in this code na lang. PRTR 1000. PRTR 1000. So, PRTR, dalawa. Okay? So, yun. Yan, dalawa. So, here, no, for the sake lang, kasi baka maubusan tayo ng stocks, no, we just have to use one and then one here. Okay? Kasi marami kayong magte-test nito eh. So, we just have to use one. One here and one here. Okay? For the sake of presentation lang to. Okay? So, ngayon, sa book, 5, tsaka isa. Dito, isa-isa lang yung gamitin natin. Baka maubusan tayo ng stocks. No? Sige. Okay. So, 1 dito, tsaka 1 din dito. No? Tapos, meron daw discount. Okay? Discount ba? Ay, wala siyang discount. Ito pala, probabilities, no? So, pwede mo siyang i-click to, dalawa, no? Tapos click this one. Okay? Kasi, yung ano niya is yung probability niya is 30% lang no order. So, ang sabi mo sa sarili mo, ikaw na customer sa folding bikes, there is a 70% chance na mag-order talaga ako. Okay? Tapos, next na item. 70. Okay? So, yun. Okay? So, yun. Ibaback na lang natin siya per the book. Okay? So, umakyat na siya ng 4,000. Okay? Kanina, unti lang yan. Okay? You can review the video na lang. Okay? This is the expected order value. Kasi niligay ko na doon 70% na. Okay? Okay, so okay na tayo dito. Let's save this one. Okay, so let's take note of this one. So 10004. Kakailanganin natin yan, guys. Okay. 1000004. Okay? So pag okay na siya, we'll create customer quotation. Okay, so punta tayo sa sales quotation. Quotation. Ito. Manage sales quotation. Okay? So, I'll try to look here the different quotations. Ano ba ito? Manage sales quotation. Tama naman. Okay? So, then we will create quotation. Okay, so nakalagay ng QT dito. Okay, 7. Kasi nag-try ako, no? Tinesting ko muna. Okay, bago ko i-present. So, ang ibang ano dito nakalagay na. Okay, QT. Tapos, click mo tong create with reference. Okay, kasi may reference ka eh. Okay, so, we will be putting here yung sinave natin kanina. 100 4. Okay, so yun. So, copy mo siya. So, ito na yung kanina, yung in-order ni Dahon Turn sa nilagay niya sa system. Ngayon, ma-access ko na. Ako yung sales officer, no? Na-access ko na yung ginawa niya. So nung makita ko to, ano bang papagawa ng book natin sa atin? Okay, so sabi dito, ito, ganun lang yan. Okay, actually you can put anything here, no? Pero sundin na lang natin yung sa book. Okay, so ang date ngayon, okay, valid to November 10, isang buwan. Okay. Tapos delivery date November 9. Yep, November 9 yung delivery date. Okay, sige. Pwede na yan. Okay. So nandito na tayo. Enter. Okay, so nandyan na. Okay, kung may lumabas man dyan, wala naman lumabas. Sabi dito kasi baka may lumabas. So, lumabas na yan kanina. Okay, change invoice redetermined. Okay. Okay na din. Okay. And then, sabi dito, bigyan mo daw siya ng discount. Okay, ito na yung sinasabi ko kaninang discount. Okay, click this one and then discount. So let's use the key 004 na code, and let's type that here. Okay, so $50. Okay, so yun na yun. Okay, and then let's go back. Okay, ngayon naman 5% discount daw. Okay, so to do that, click more, go to header, tapos conditions. Bibigyan natin siya ng 5% discount. So what's the code for 5% discount? We'll use RA00. Okay, so RA00, nandiyan na RA00, and then 5%. Notice 0 pa siya. Okay, so let's activate that discount. Okay, so yun na yung discount niya, lumabas na. Okay, sige. Okay, ito na yung ginawa natin kanina, and then we will be clicking save. Okay, so save. Okay, may lumabas. Usually ito piniprint to. Okay, so hindi lang kasi naka-configure. So let's take note. The quotation number is 200,000,004. Okay, sige. Okay, after that, no, create na tayo ng sales order, no. After that one, okay, remember our lesson, no, magkakasunod yan. Sales order, manage sales order, manage sales order. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa manage sales order. Okay, we have the option to just go, no, to go. Okay, ito, nandito yung ano natin. Ito yung una kong ginawa, oh. Ito, Darwin's Bike, Bentown Bikes, Senior Darwin. So walang ano dito. Okay, yun yung mga ginawa natin una, no? Tapos create tayo ng sales order. Okay, so nandyan na yan siya kasi nagawa na rin ako kanina, no? And then we will be clicking create with reference. May reference na tayo, huhugot lang tayo. So ano yung ano natin? 200,000,004. Okay, so ito yun. Copy. So nandito na. Okay, so again, lagyan ulit natin ng ganito. The reference date is today, delivery date yon. Okay, so hindi mo na kailangan lagyan yan. So ano yung papagawa sa atin? Ito sinearch niya kasi ito sa atin kasi minimorya natin yung ano, yung PO number. Yan, ito lumabas na. Tapos ginawa na rin natin yan. Okay, tapos si-save na natin. Okay, save. Okay, so nagpiprint ulit yan, no? Tapos standard order number 6. So tandaan nyo, number 6 yung standard order natin. Okay, so okay na. Tapos niyan, check na natin yung status, no, ng stocks. Okay, check natin. Display stock overview. Okay, so check natin dito. Ito na yung isang material, no? Sample lang to. Let's click execute. Okay, so tatype mo lang to, no? Tapos execute nito. So ito na yun, 90. Okay, so dito kasi by ano siya, by each item siya pinapakita. So 90. Okay, so in order ka isa lang, no? Tingnan natin detailed display kung nasan siya. Hanapin natin dito, nandito yung sa sales order. hanap. Sales. Asan na ba yan? Ito. Ay, wala pa siya. Stock full. So, wala pa siya. Ano pa nakikreate? Okay, check natin ha. Check natin mabuti. Kasi kung stock order niya is 1, no? Kailangan lumabas dito tulad nito. Detail display, tapos ito 100, no? Dapat sa sales orders meron siyang naka-reserve dyan na 5, no? Or dito kasi 1, dapat may naka-reserve na 1. Hirap lang hanapin. Okay, so bear with me. Anyways, check na lang din natin yan mamaya kung ang validity niya. Okay, basta ito yung itsura niya, no? Once na okay na yung ano mo, yung detail display mo, na ano mo na nakapaggawa ka na ng ano, sales order, no? Okay, pag okay na yan siya, dito magkakaroon na siya ng reservation. Okay, so makikita natin kung mag-error mamaya. Okay, so punta na tayo sa ito na, tapos na dito. Step 8, display sales order. I-display lang yung sales order na ito. List sales order. Ito. Okay, so ito yung ano ba yung customer number natin, 25009. Ito na yun, execute. Okay, so ito yung order natin. Okay, 1 item, no? Ito. Ibig sabihin, mayroong talaga ano, hindi lang nahanap natin kanina. Okay? Okay, so ito yun, 600. So we're just checking here the sales document, no? Exploration lang to, okay? So dito sales, so pag click natin to, yan, yun ang labas niya. And then if we click the item overview, ito yun siya. Okay, okay, tapos availability. Okay, so pwede natin i-click to. Ito, piliin ko to, no? Tapos check availability, display availability, no? So ito, requirements 1, isa yung kailangan ko. Okay, yung ano niya is 100, receipts niya 100. Okay, availability niya, yung kailangan ko is 1. Okay, sige. So exploration lang siya, and then we'll close again. Wala namang masyadong ano dito i-check. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, ito yung mga pricing niya. Makikita mo, you were just reviewing, no? Then now, pag okay na siya, na-review mo, it will now start the delivery process, no? Create outbound deliveries na tayo. Okay, ito. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa create outbound deliveries, no? Piliin natin dito is time period, date range. Piliin natin 0101. Okay, go. Wala rin. Ship to party is ano bang party na yun? 25009. Okay, cannot find found it. Okay. So what's what's keeping it from not appearing? No. Ship to party F4 45009. That's the customer yan. Ito. Okay. So yan. And then go. Uh-huh. December 29. Okay. Yan, lumabas na. Okay? So ito yung sales document natin, no? So what we're gonna do is just so paano ko siya pinalabas, no? Ginawa ko lang whole year to, no? Tapos I search here the ship to party o to 509, pwede mong i-type yan, no? Ito na lumabas na siya. Okay? And then we click this one, no? And then create deliveries. Click mo lang tong create. Click this one and then create deliveries. Okay? So nandun na, no? Logs created 1. Okay? So let's go back na. I-check ulit natin yung stock status, no? Sana mahanap na natin yung ano, yung 1 niya, no? DXTR1. Okay. Execute. And then detailed display. Let's look here the okay, we can find it. Hirap maghanap dito. DXTR1000. Okay. MI00. Okay, so we can't find the yung ano niya, yung i-check na lang natin yung punta na tayo sa wait lang, manage outbound deliveries. Okay, let's go back to deliveries. Okay, and then create here shipping point. Or we can add here some additional filters. Okay, create created by. Okay, and then click go. Wala pa rin siya, hindi siya nalabas. Okay, so ready to post to GI. Let's click all. Okay, so dito na, not yet process. Let's check this one kung ano yung laman ng ano niya. Sakto naman, naka-Miami siya. DXTR1005. Let's check the stocks. Stock overview. Okay. Kaya pala. So that's why I'm not viewing it. 1005 pala. So I'm sorry. Okay, so ito 'yon. Okay. 1005 pala ginamit kong goods, no? And then we'll use 1005. Okay, so let's look for the one. Ito siya, oh. Scheduled for delivery na siya. Okay. Sayang hindi natin nakita yung nasa sales order. Kanina nandito 'yan, no? And na-schedule na din for delivery, nandito na siya. Okay? Sige. Okay. Sige. So nandito na. Okay. So punta tayo sa deliveries again. Okay. And then hindi. Let's go to manage outbound deliveries. This one. And then we'll post here all ready for picking. This one. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is we will be picking this one. Okay. Okay, pick. Okay. So what are the things that we should do now? We click pick down. Okay. Yan. Alright. Okay. So yun lang yung gagawin natin. Okay. So yung kung ang delivery mo dito is 5, di 5 ipipick mo. Kung 1, edi 1 lang. Dito 1 din. Okay. Okay, so 1. Tapos click mo daw to. Okay. And we will be picking that in a storage location finished goods. Okay. Apply. Okay, another one. Let's click this one first. No, baka hindi nag-effect. Okay, another one. Okay, finish goods. Okay, so okay na. Okay, so once picked, no, we can just click save. Okay, save. So outbound delivery save. Okay, so what's the next step? Okay, ito na yun siya, GI ready na siya. Okay, so manage outbound deliveries again. Okay, manage outbound deliveries. Okay, so ready for post. So lalabas na yan siya. Okay, so once ready na siya, no, i-click mo lang yan, tapos post GI. Okay, ito, no, click mo lang yan, post GI. Okay, so ngayong araw, okay, yun, posted na siya. Okay, issued na siya. So the book now will ask us to check kung nabawasan na ba. Okay, so tingnan natin. Kanina 100 yun, di ba? So tingnan natin. Check natin kung 100 pa ba. 99 na lang, di ba? Kasi na-issue ko na kay Folding Bikes, no? Kay Dahon Folding Bikes yung isa. So 99 na lang talaga matitira. Okay? So yun, that's how it works, no? Konektado siya lahat. So the next step is okay, mag-create na tayo ng invoice. Okay, VF01. So let's look for VF01. Okay, create billing documents. Okay, so walang lumalabas dito. Sabi na book, click mo na yung billing due list. Okay, so ngayong araw, ito yun, ngayong araw, October 10. Display. So ito yun. Okay, so once na dyan, display billing list, no, i-click mo lang siya. Kasi individual to, so i-click mo lang individual billing list, no, kasi parang napaka-plain niya lang. Okay, so ito yun siya, itsura. Okay, make sure that the 2 bikes are listed. Meron naman, nandito naman sila. Okay, so let's try to save that, no, save. Okay, so mag-print na yan ng billing docs. Okay, this is bibigay na yun sa customer. Okay, so yun na yun, document 90005. Okay, let's take note of that, no? Baka mawala. 900000005. Okay, so next let's go to displaying lang billing documents. This is just more on ano, ipapakita mo lang. Okay, ipapakita mo lang yung mga ano, kung ano-ano dyan. Okay, so let's just go there, no? BF03 ito, dyan na yun. Buti nandyan na para hindi na tayo mag-hirap. So yun. Okay, so yun. Tapos accounting, kung gusto mo makita dyan yung mga ano, so this is the sales revenue for the other bike, taxes. Okay, so yun. So once satisfied, no, you can just go back. No, tapos balik tayo dito. Displaying lang naman yun eh. Tapos ngayon, nakita mo na yung na issue na invoice sa kanya, no? Punta ka na dun sa sa magbabayad na siya, no? Okay? So punta ka na sa payments. Okay? Punta tayo sa payments. Assuming na magbabayad na talaga. Post incoming payments. Okay? So US00, journal entry daw is today. Okay, tapos DZ, type DZ for the current period. Ito. Okay, and then enter 1,000. Bangko to ha, yung 1,000 GL. Bank to. Para may pakita ko sa inyo, ayun ano. Mabas na 1. Yan, bangko yan. Okay? So, ito 20,000, no? Pero yung amount ng ano natin is nasa kano ba yun? Ako, I forgot. How much is the display documents? VF03. How much is that? Okay. VF03. Have to load this one. Malapit na tayo. VF03. Okay, display billing documents. Okay, nandito na kanina. So the total net value is 5,842. Okay, kasi nagkaroon na ng discount, no? And then the accounting. Okay, so ito yun. Okay, display billing documents. So this is the ito yung itsura. So we'll use this one. Okay, 5,000 what? 5,842.5. Yep, 5,000 ba to or 2 point something dollars lang? We just have to copy this one. Okay. Sales order. List of sales order. Let's check ang totoong amount niya. So this is the total amount, 5,000. I don't know if this is 5,000 or not. Just have to copy this one na lang. Okay. Sige, so this is the amount to be paid. No, this should be the amount that must be paid. Okay, so 5.81 USD. Okay, so yun, no. So ano pa ba? USD yung ano niya, and then the customer will be ano ba yung customer number natin? Customer number is 25009. 25009. Okay, so yun yun. Bakit walang lumalabas dito? Two five zero zero nine. Okay, so just have to search this one. Customer 25009. Okay, ito yun. Nahon turn. Okay, so ito yun siya. So once okay na siya, no, have to click propose items, no? Okay, pag propose items na, okay na siya, no, clearing na tayo, no. So dito balance niya is 00 na lang, no. Tapos ano ba yung sunod na check natin? Then post. After that we post that. Post. So journal 140 blah blah blah, use the dollar, display. Okay, so yun yung posting niya. Okay, okay, so yun. And now we'll go back to home. No, okay na, ano, nagbayad na siya, no. So we'll check the document flow. Okay, overview. Okay, okay, so yun, M100, and the posting date is today. So ang dami natin ginawa, diba? So the customer must be ano ba yan? DXD or 1005. Okay, okay, material document pala yan. Okay, ito DXD or 1005. Okay, so yan. Okay, so let's go. So ito yung ginawa natin. Okay, so posting ngayong araw, tapos click yung ano niya. Okay, so click natin, process flow. Okay, so okay siya lahat. Okay, and that ends our sales distribution module. Okay, so study well. Okay, good luck.